Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to organize your projects for maximum efficiency in Asana. First, use sections for phases. In your project, click its section above your task list. Name sections like Phase 1, Research. Press Enter. Now, create template tasks for recurring work. Make a task like Client Onboarding. Add all its subtasks inside. Save this in a Templates section. Duplicate it for new clients by clicking the three dots on the task and selecting Duplicate. Use My Tasks for personal prioritization. On your home page, see My Tasks. Drag tasks into Today, Upcoming, and Later. Create a Project Hub for overview. Make one project named Project Hub. Inside, create a task for each active project. In each task's description, paste the link to its real Asana project. This gives you one place to see everything. Finally, use colors and emojis for quick scanning. Add an emoji at the start of a project name, like a checkmark. Use colored project icons in your sidebar, and that's it. You've used sections, templates, a personal task list, a project hub, and visuals. If this streamlined your Asana setup, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.